This is another of our one-take videos, and this one will focus on I forgot how to embed a picture in the website. So we are here at Macon STEM, and actually by the website I mean the Digital Lab Notebook, because that's really a website. Macon STEM, we're going to go to First Lego Robotics, FLL Robotics, go into the Digital Lab Notebooks, and for this example, I will be a member of Team Charlie. So you need to go to the section of the site where you want to embed the photo, and I know the bot chassis page requires a photo that you can see I've asked you to post here in blue. So to post a photo, you pull up the editing tools. And of course, if I weren't already signed in, I'd go down and click the sign in button. That it would be right here if I wasn't signed in. So I'm going to click the editing button. And I now have an option to insert. So since I actually want to insert my picture here, I'm going to highlight this text and I'm going to delete it. I will then click Insert, and I want to find Insert Image. Click on Image, and it's going to ask me to upload my images. We're not going to connect it to a web URL. I want you to pull any photos, or any photos you take need to be saved into your team folder on the desktop of the laptop you use. So I'm going to browse my desktop for the photo I want to insert. So I click Browse. And this is, the picture I want is not in this particular folder. So I'm going to browse my computer. I happen to know that the folder I want that's got the photo is on my desktop. So I click on Desktop, come down to the name of the folder, which in this case is Team Lima. And here's the picture I'd like to insert. You can see it hasn't actually uploaded to the digital notebook yet, but here it is. It's now uploaded to Google, and I have a yellow box around my image. I click OK, and there it's inserted. Now I actually want this photo centered. So if you see my crosshairs that appear when I move my cursor over the photo, they go away. There they are. I'm going to left click once on the photo. I've activated the handles, and then I have formatting options down here for my image. So the first three over here to the left have to do with the orientation of the image. S, M, and L and original have to do with the size of the image, and then these two icons to the far right have to do with wrapping text around the image. At this time, I don't have any text to wrap around the image. I simply want the image, and I'd like it centered. So I click on the center. You can see it centers for me. And I think I want it to be a little bit smaller than it's appearing now. So there it is. I now click off to the side. And of course, I then need to hit Save to save my image. And for those of you that are curious, those are the light posts that you see in Roswell, New Mexico, in honor of Roswell being very famous for an alien sighting back in the 1950s. And I happened to take this picture myself this summer when I drove through Roswell and got our friend Roscoe, the alien who lives in the classroom with us. I hope you found this video helpful.